In this video, I'll show you how to put your Cash App card in your Apple Wallet. First, open the Cash App. It's a full-service banking and investing app, and once you're signed up and set up, adding your card to Apple Wallet is super easy. You'll see your cash balance on the home screen in this example. It's around $110. Now, tap on the card icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your Cash App card, design it, and even order a physical one that gets mailed to you for free. Once you have your card ready, you can use it in stores, online, and of course, in Apple Pay. On the card screen, you'll likely see an option that says Add Card to Apple Pay. Tap that. If you don't see the option, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Support, search for Apple Pay, and tap the related link that appears. That'll take you to the same setup screen. Now, tap Add to Apple Pay. It'll start contacting the card issuer, which may take a few seconds. Once it finishes, tap Next to move forward. You'll then see the terms and conditions. Scroll through them if you like, and then tap Agree to continue. After that, the app will process your request, and you'll get a confirmation message saying Wallet Card Added. At this point, you'll have the option to set your Cash App card as your default card in Apple Wallet. If you want it to be the main one used for payments, tap Set as Default Card. If not, you can tap Not Now to keep your existing card as default. Either way, your Cash App card is now successfully linked to Apple Pay. Remember, your PIN is the same one you use in the Cash App. You can also lock or unlock your Cash App card anytime directly from the app. It's a good security tip in case you lose it or want extra protection. That's it. Your Cash App card is now ready to use in your Apple Wallet.